Hello everyone, welcome back to a new brand video. Today we're going to be checking out the new Halloween update in Animal Company VR. So as soon as I spawned in, there was a lot of pumpkins so far, and I was actually wondering if there was anything else other than pumpkins. So I reckon we go and check this out. And yeah, or I should click my reward. Okay. Now we gotta go. Yep. I don't know why there's just a lot of pumpkins. Let's go down one of the levels and see if there's anything. What? I had so much before. Why don't it reset? Fine. Buy a normal flashlight. Okay, let's get going. Let's start down. And I remember once this little pole, my hair got stuck in the bottom of it. That bit. Oh. This is second flashlight. Oh, I changed the directions. Again. Okay. Leads nowhere this way. What's down here? Okay. Well, we made it to the second level. I hate this level, bro. I hate it. I'm at a dead end. I'm at a dead end. I'm out. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Okay. That was not quite fun. So, I don't think there's much differences with it. It's mostly just like pumpkins around the place. Is there no skins or anything? Yeah. Is that? I think that's one of them. Let's go check in here. I guess that's one of them. $44. It does look cool. I'm not gonna pay for it though. Anyway, guys, well, if you did enjoy that video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. It really helped me out. And sorry for the messed up schedule, but anyway, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.